Welcome everyone, welcome to Nanny and Pa's Adventures. This is the hunting property. We're out there, we're gonna do some foraging. There's the hunting cabin that I just had put on here last year. Something I wanted to do. I've owned the property since 2012. I'm gonna spin you guys around, let you take a peek. So here's the property, there's the future well house. Here's the front cabin, 12 by 24. I'm gonna take you guys inside, get you a little peek. This is the inside of the cabin. There's a partition wall, a loft, doing a little electrical work, doing a little rafter work, just securing the rafters, just putting some supports in it. I'm gonna do some insulation. This is built by the Amish. One thing, if anybody's planning on doing this, I'm going to give you a little information. Amish, most of the time, don't use kiln wood, which means it's wet wood. So when they seal it all up, you may have this problem. It's mold. So I've been fighting mold. I had this delivered like last October, last September, and I let it set over the winter and most of the spring, and just come out here and I've fought it with different types of mold killer, commercial vinegar, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to keep doing some videos. I got other stuff I'm doing. I'm gonna post videos, but apparently you can't post more than 5 minutes, so I'm gonna have to cut the first one down. But this is the Hun property. Like I said, been here since 2012. It's always been my dream to have a hunting cabin on here for me and the family, or me and my grandson most likely. We do a lot of hunting here every year. Very nice property, 10 acres. But I'm going to show you a picture of a tree. It's in memory of my youngest son. Our youngest son was killed in a car accident last April 4th, which I hope nobody ever has to go through. It's very painful. It still is to this day. And I do have a video out, my very first video. It's called The Waves of Grief, You're Not Alone. I'm trying to create a YouTube channel, trying to learn how to do that. I'm 61, gonna be 62 in February. And my motto is, you're never too old to learn something new. Nanny's out there foraging. We have an apothecary page, Bluefinch Apothecary. Does very well. She does very well on that. But like I said, this is the hunting property. I got to keep it under 5 minutes. But there's the cabin. Future closed-in screen porch where we can sit there and eat, drink our coffee. Bugs are rough out here between June and September. So you got to really watch. That's my truck. We're mostly off-grid. The well you can't drink out of, and we do have electric. That's the outhouse. Hopefully future plans for something different, but this is where it's at. This is my place I love to be. This is the well. New fire pit. That's going to be where the new fire pit's at. This is where the old fire pit's at. I want to get it out of the way of the circle drive, but it's very thick, never been logged. We have a few tree stands out here. Like I said, we do hunting every year, we do foraging out here, and we love to just hang out, come out here and hang out. I'll be quiet for a minute and let you hear the birds. That's what it's like all day. But hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Nanny and Pa's Adventures. We're going to be posting videos of apothecary. We're going to post a video of grief, and I'm going to post videos of me fixing up the cabin. Remember, again, you're never too old to learn something new. Get out there and have fun. Love you guys. Bye.